Hey, Sean Lee again, and here's a look at what happened with the markets and economy last week. September and October are historically bad months for markets, and we started off the month following this trend. Markets had their worst 1 week drop since March of 23. The primary drivers, Nvidia's earnings weren't as great as expected, the price of oil is down, and the latest employment reports show that jobs are definitely declining. The Fed will meet on September 17th and 18th, and they'll definitely consider employment as they decide whether to start interest rate cuts and by how much. Inflation will also play into their decision. We'll have a look at the latest inflation numbers this week. Now, I know it's concerning when the markets drop, but here's a little perspective. The S&P 500 ended last week at 5,400, even after a drop of around 4%. Most analysts were expecting the S&P 500 at the end of 2024 to be around 5,000, so we're significantly higher than expected with 4 months left to go. We knew volatility would increase as we headed into fall, and last week's drop wasn't a huge surprise. If you have any questions about what's happening with your investments and your financial plan, give us a call. Until next week, we'll talk to you soon. All the best.